banana french fries. These are the ingredients. We have bananas, we have some chocolate, and we have some, we're gonna use this bowl and we're gonna put hot water inside to melt the chocolate. And we also have some sugar, some salt, some flour, and some water. So let's get started. First, we have to peel the bananas. Now once you're done peeling the bananas, you have to cut the bananas into very small slices. And after you peel the bananas, you're going to cut the bananas into long pieces. Like here's what we got. Now we're going to take a bowl and we're going to mix all the ingredients. Not the bananas and the chocolate, because we're going to save that for later. First, put the flour. Next, put the sugar and the salt. Now, put the water. The next, mix it. So, once you're done mixing, if it looks like this, then you're ready for the next. So next, we're going to put all the bananas in here. So let's put them in here. Okay. Take them off. Okay. Next, we're going to heat them. So we're going to wait for the oil to heat up. So we'll be right back.
Go.
Now, waiting for the oil to heat up, let's make the melted chocolate. Always gotta be careful with hot water. Okay, so let's put in the fries. I'm very bad at this. So, gotta make sure the bowl one is very tight. There. Now that it's done, we'll just put it on the plate. So all we need to do now is drizzle it with